Hi everyone and welcome to our workshop. Today we're excited to present the all-new Mirka DEXOS 1217M AFC, the latest M-class dust extractor line from Mirka. Designed from the ground up with mobility in mind without compromising performance. This powerful dust extractor is engineered for seamless integration with Mirka power tools, making it an essential addition to any workplace. The Mirka DEXOS features a brushless motor and is designed to enhance workplace safety, cleanliness, and efficiency. You might be wondering what the name stands for. I'll explain. The 12 stands for a 1200 watt power level, while the 17 indicates the container's 17-liter capacity. M signifies M-class, suitable for medium dangerous dust, and AFC stands for automatic filter cleaning. The Mirka DEXOS boasts a compact design and ergonomic build for user convenience. Integrated cord and hose head storage keep everything neat and organized, while a wheel brake enhances the stability during operation. Practicality at its finest. One of the standout features is the Mirka case fastening accessory. This makes it easy to transport Mirka case atop the dust extractor, with no need for extra accessories to fasten the case. Convenient, right? With a 17-liter capacity, the container is perfect for both wet and dry applications. It's equipped with an automatic filter cleaning system and M-class filtration, ensuring proven performance for user protection. It is also equipped with a HEPA H14 filter in selected markets, capturing even the finest dust particles to keep your workshop clean and safe. Changing the dust bag is a breeze with its top placement, eliminating the need for side access and without removing the case or the toolbox. Plus, the long-life brushless motor ensures durability, power level adjustment, and advanced connectivity that offers enhanced functionality. The Mirka DEXOS features auto start functionality, remote control capability, and 2 sockets with auto start capabilities for added versatility. Its compact design makes it easy to store, it's easy to clean, construction ensures hassle-free maintenance. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or want to learn more about the Mirka DEXOS, check out our website or contact your local Mirka representative. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.